Hey ice fisherman, I'll tell you what, if you are serious about your ice fishing and camping, this is the one for you. It's dual axle, and we changed this puppy to be like the popular 17 Explorer, but with two axles. It's got the beautiful finish on that. Look at that white gloss. It is just so nice. Matching spare tire. And look how thick that frame is. I mean, you can't beat GS frames. We bring this in with spray foam floor. We're going to give you two propane tanks filled right there with a cover. Brand new batteries. It's going to have two batteries because you got one for the coach, one for the hydraulic. Pulls right there for the sewer. Air conditioner on the roof. Vents right here. You can charge the batteries right there. So sweet. Hydraulic with a pin holding it up, so you just pull the pin, drop it to the ice or the campground floor, whatever you want. We bring it in with the big window in the back. It's got a little cargo hookup right there, 2-inch receiver hitch. It is really slick. Wait till we get to the inside, all the differences that we do. We bring it in with the awning. It has speakers on it, and there's lights on there. And we bring it in with lights on both sides. And like I said, the spray foam floor is a huge deal too. Tankless water heater's new. That was new last year, but we're definitely that's a keeper. It's got the vinyl floor. Now, normally this is a baby bunk and a baby bunk. We were like, no way. We got a flip up bunk there, and we got a nice comfortable couch right here for you to sit on. There's the propane cover. So you got holes, you can sit here and jig fish. Access to the hydraulic lines, no one's needed those yet. So we bring it in with the two extra holes in the back and the U-shaped dinette. Look at the huge windows, awesome. 12-volt ceiling fan, electric lift bed. We bring it in with the flip ups. Rod holders, you got drawers right there. All sanded off beautifully. It's mortise and tenon. All solid cedar all the way across. Now we left this wall open on purpose because you could put a nice big 50-inch TV with picture-in-picture and set up your Garmin and be able to see all the fish down there. 12-volt shows you where you're at. You can see all the light switches, the awning switch, extra switches, the ceiling fan switch right there. It's reversible. We also bring it in with the bigger 6 cubic foot fridge. It's gas electric. This way, whether you're fishing or summer camping, you got lots of cold spot there. More storage on this side. Drawers. Nobody even comes close to comparing what we bring it in for what you could buy this for. When this is in bed mode, you can get into the bathroom, which is huge. There's running water sink, your oven, microwave that glows when you light it up. Boom, let's light this puppy up. Look at that glow. Charging spots everywhere. The bathroom, yeah, there's some antifreeze in there, but it's got the shower surround, a working medicine cabinet, storage, foot flush toilet, little extra shelf right there. And then that is the thermostat for your on-demand water heater. Fan, lights. Like I said, lots of holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 holes. So wherever you feel like fishing that day. The flip-up bunk is amazing. What a great fish house. With all the popular options that everybody wants. More charging stations, spots to put stuff. The other thermostat, the electric lift bed button right there. Push that, and she comes down almost just about to hit that table. Speakers in here, speakers outside. There's the radio. Little shelf right there. Just awesome. You know what too? See your awning lights, porch lights. Interior lights, whole lights, all right there. And see that blinking? You got accent lights under both of these. Tell ya, ice fishing is luxury. What do we got down here? Another storage spot. They always use the better hinges too. They're not cheapo hinges. Everything is sanded off. They put glue behind all these knots before they put the walls in, so you don't lose your knots. It's always going to look nice. It's inland red cedar, so it's stronger. The trees never see salt water. This is actually black. It just has a film over it right now. And that's just to keep it from getting scratched as people are looking and walking in and out and whatnot. So I'm going to have a seat right here. And I wish I was on the ice. I'd be doing some fishing. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, get a hold of me. My name is John at Adventure RV in West Fargo. We're going to take good care of you. Thank you. Bye.